If you want to add a video on top of your main video, simply drag the new clip onto the track above the main video in the timeline. Now the main video appears in the background while the top clip is fully visible. To blend them together, we will adjust the opacity. Now click on the top video, go to the video tab on the top right, click on blend and make sure the option is always checked. Now slowly reduce the opacity until the background video starts to show through. And that's how in just a few seconds you can blend two clips together seamlessly. Thank you so much for watching the video.